Pichi-Pichi is one of the well-known Filipino desserts and is normally made of coconut and grated cassava. However, instead of using cassava, we use tapioca pearls instead. It is still gelatinous in appearance and sticky to the touch once it has cooled down. And yes, the cost of this recipe won't hurt your wallets. For the business-minded individuals, you can start a food business by selling Pichi-Pichi tapioca with the other foods featured here in Kenzy's kitchen. Let's remember that it is good to fill our stomach, but it will even be better if our wallets are filled at the same time. To help you as well, we made the costing for you. And as you can see, you'll only need 87.30 pesos to start this Pichi-Pichi business. Especially nowadays, even 1 peso really matters. So it's good to have a good food and the business. So guys, makakagawa na tayo ng 24 Pichi-Pichi that we can sell for 10 pesos each. At pwede tayong kumita ng 152.70 pesos. Depende pa kung mas marami kang batch na magagawa at mabebenta, mas malaking kikitain. So to start, measure 320 grams of tapioca pearls and put in a clean bowl and clean it with some water. Then next, drain it properly using a strainer and transfer in another bowl. Soak it with the clean water for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, disregard the water. Transfer it in a clean bowl. Then we can start adding the sugar, coconut meat, and thick coconut milk. Then mix it properly and nicely. Then let's divide it into 3 portions. In the first portion, just add the pandan juice and green food coloring. Then mix it properly. In a clean baking pan, just brush it with margarine or cooking oil. Then let's put the first green mixture in a pan and steam it for 20 minutes until cooked. Meanwhile, let's proceed to the second and third portion. No need to add the pandan juice this time. Just add the food color and mix it properly. After 20 minutes, add the remaining mixtures and make a layer. Make sure to spread it evenly. After that, put it back on the steamer and cook it for 30 to 40 minutes. Meanwhile, let's add the pandan leaves on the coconut meat and steam it. The pandan will infuse more flavor to the coconut, and that's the secret of this recipe. After steaming the tapioca, cut them in your desired shapes and cover it in our coconut meat. That's it guys! Samahan lang ng konting sipag at tiyaga, and your business is ready to open and serve this not so typical Pichi-Pichi tapioca. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more negosyo and delicious recipes.